Hi friends and students, Standard 12th Commerce Accountancy Blueprint of 2020-21, which is now new, so that we have to try to understand in which chapter how many marks they will ask in your board examinations and how to attend the question in your examinations. Okay, now in accountancy we have a two part 1, part 2, but the part 1 total we have 73 marks as per new paper style, and part 2 we have 57 marks. Now, as per the chapter wise weightage and paper style, we have to try to understand this. But as per the section 1, section A, they will ask 15 mark questions. Section B, they will ask 15 mark questions. Section C, they will ask 12 mark questions. Section D, they will ask 12 mark questions. Then section E, 24 marks, and section F, total 22 marks. So total 100 mark paper style we have. Now, in section A, they will ask 15 question, 15 marks. B, 15 question, 15 marks. But in C, we have to attend 4 questions, but they have to ask 6 questions. So we have an option here, 2 questions. Same as section D also, we have to attend 3 questions, but they will ask 5 questions in your examinations. Now, in section E, we have to attend 3 questions, but they will ask 5 questions. So from 5 we have to attend 3. So we have a 2 option is here. And section F, 2 questions and 2 we have to attend now. So now look at here. As per the part 1, chapter 1, introduction of partnership, 1 mark MCQ, 1 mark VSQ, and 2 questions they will ask in 3 mark of question. So total chapter it is 8 marks. Now final account of partnership, they will ask 1 mark of questions, 1 questions only, 11 marks of section F, so that we have to attend now. Valuation of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill is weightage, now in new paper style it is increased. 1 mark MCQ, 2 mark VSQ they will ask, and 4 marker 2 questions they have to ask. So total 11 marks is there. Reconstruction of partnership, 1 marker MCQ, 1 marker VSQ, and 3 marker 1 question they will ask. So 5 marker. This is the weightage, same as like a last paper cell also. Now admission of partnership, 1 marker MCQ, 1 marker VSQ, and 8 marker 1 questions from this. Total 10 mark is just like the same of last paper cell also. Now retirement or date of partners, 1 mark MCQ, 1 mark VSQ, but here the most important change is there, 2 questions they have to ask. So 2 questions, so total 18 marks from this chapter. Dissolution of partnership, 2 marker MCQ, 2 marker VSQ, 3 marker 2 questions they will ask. So total 10 marks is there. Now part 1 total is 73 marks. Now part 2, share capital. Share capital chapter is just like a same of a retirement. 1 marker MCQ, 1 marker VSQ, and 2 questions again from share capital, 18 marks. So in section E we have a 5 questions are there. We have to attend 3 only. Now debentures, 2 marker MCQs, 1 marker VSQ, and 1 question from debenture only. So it is 6 marks only. Okay. Now next, company's final account, only 11 mark question, just like a same of final account, company's final account of partnership, and company's final account, both are the same type of 1 mark 11 mark of question they will ask from these 2 chapters. Now analysis of financial statement, 1 marker MCQ, 1 marker VSQ, and 1 marker question they will ask in 4 marker in section D, total 6 mark. Accounting ratios, 2 marker MCQ, 2 marker VSQ, and 1 marker questions from accounting ratios, total 8 marks is there. Now cash flow statement, 2 marker MCQ, 2 marker VSQ, and 1 4 marker question they will ask in the exam. So total 8 mark. Like this it is 57 marks. Now look at here, the paper style. MCQ 15 marks, VSQ 15 marks. 3 marker 4 questions. Look at here. We have to attend 4 questions, but they are given the 6. So 6 questions are there. We have to select any 4. Look at here. First chapter, 2 questions you can do it because we are prepared very well. Reconstruction also easy, so that also you can do it. So 2, 1, 3. Now one question is left. So if you have to attend this one, then if you want to cancel the debenture for preparations, it is possible. So now the option is available. So you can cancel some chapter preparation also. Whatever you want, you have to do it like this. But I will just suggest you. 4 mark 3 questions are there. But they will ask 5 mark. 5 questions are there. So valuation of goodwill, everybody are prepared well. The 2 mark 2 questions from this only. Analysis of financial statement, 1 from this. So we have to attend 3. The 3 is over. But then also we have to prepare 1 more. So accounting ratios or cash flow statement, and from any this 2 chapter, any one we can prepare. So 1 chapter will be cancelled for preparations. So your course will be just like a smaller and smaller. Now 8 marker 3 questions. Look at here. How to attain the 8 marker? So 1 admission is there. Retirement is also there. And that share capital is over. Suppose you want to prepare the share capital and retirement, then it is also over. If you want to leave the partnership, admission. If you want to prepare the admission and share capital, if you want to leave the partnership, then is also okay. If you prepare all, then also you have to choose any 3. So that is good for you to attain getting more marks in our examinations. Now 11 marker 2 questions, there is no options. It is fixed chapters. So we have to attend both and to write in the examination. Like that, total 130 mark paper. Total paper is 130 marks, but we have to write down in your exam 100 mark papers. So this is good paper style and more options are there. So I have to understand that, and you also understood very well okay, how many chapters you want to leave, how many chapters you want to prepare and get the good marks in your examination. So best of luck for the May 2020.